Want to secure your Spectrum internet? Changing your Wi-Fi password is key. As of 2025, Spectrum lets you do this easily through the Spectrum app or your router's admin panel. This video walks you through both methods. Why change your password? It boosts your privacy, prevents unauthorized access, and protects against bandwidth theft. Spectrum recommends changing your password quarterly or if you suspect a security issue. Let's get started. Here's how to change your password via the Spectrum app. First, open the Spectrum app and log in. Next, go to Services, then Internet, then Manage Network. Select Wi-Fi settings and enter your new password. Confirm the change. It's instant. Now, via the router admin panel. First, connect to your Spectrum network. Open a browser and enter 192.168.1.1. Log in with default username admin and password from router sticker. Go to Wireless, then Security. Change the password and save. Remember to use a strong password with 12 or more characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal info and update all your devices.